Hello everyone. Today I'm at Animal Kingdom with my mother. My father's joining us a little bit later. I got my camera. We've got some lightning lanes for Dinosaur, Safari, Flight of Passage, and Everest. So we're gonna get the day started. Let's get going. New Pandora charm. She's interested. Another new one. Less interested.
You can see it here and you just look up. Some blue-bellied macaws are over there. Snap a picture of them before they decide to head off on their next adventure. We're going to be hanging out with these birds for as long as they want to be here. If you have any questions, come on up and chat with us. But enjoy the rest of your day here. We'll see you later. Bye.
Or we have to let out in this Holly Peninsula.
Now we're headed into DinoLand, and with the recently deceased Dino-Rama. So we'll see all the construction walls in there of what's going on. All right, so you can see some of the construction walls over here. This area is a lot more open than I thought it would be. I'm sure it will cut off as it gets closer to, as things get demolished and it gets closer to what's coming here, which is an Encanto ride. And then over here, they're gonna have like a carousel as well. That's all gonna be part of Tropical Americas, and eventually Dinosaur will close and become Indiana Jones. But you could kind of see they've already started to dismantle Triceratops Bin. They've taken all the signs off of the store over there. It's pretty sad, but at least we get to see some of it as we walk by still. Hey! Where'd he go?
But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover.
The safari line starts all the way back here. Thankfully we have plenty of light, but that is absolutely insane.
Rhino in Africa, only way, but they can still charge at about 30 miles an hour. These animals, we should be able to find a majority of them out and about. All throughout this area, you'll see these larger mounds like this one to the left. They're only going to grow to be about 3 to 4 feet tall, but they're going to be a much larger species of rhino, usually weighing up to or around 5,000 pounds. They also tend to be a lot more social with one another.
A lot of cool animals. Saw a lot. I'm gonna drop some pictures that I took right here. Now we are on the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail, and I'm probably gonna take more pictures.
You went and scratched behind you. You know, like scratch dogs. niya? Puedes subir.
Look at the baby. Oh my god.
I'm up, everybody's up.
So that is our 27-year-old.
We just popped into Zuri's sweet shop to get a s'mores bar and a caramel butter bar. My mom got one of the cream cheese things over at Pongu Pongu, and then I just traded for a pin. I got a 2025 one. So cute. I actually have a 2025 pin already, but I might give this one to my sister. I was like, what are the odds of finding a brand new pin on the board? So I had to get it. So we went over to Harambe Market in Africa, and we're trying the banana, guava, and orange drink, aka BOG juice. Similar to the same POG juice, but it's a pineapple, it's banana. And they're out of oranges for the garnish, so we got a strawberry. Hello. That was crazy. That's crazy. Oh shit. Look at how cute this Yeti ornament is. This is 27, but that's just adorable. I just got, can you zoom in? Too much. I just got this Everest penny right here. It's this one right here. How cute. All right, time for the Maharajah Jungle Trek.
What's with the wings? It's the first time we've ever done that has happened.
All right, I just got one of the best things in the whole park, the pulled pork and cheese fries over at Flame Tree Barbecue. These are super pricey now. They're $8.50. They used to be like $5. So a little pricey for what you get, but they are delicious at least. We've been surrounded. Anyways, that's gonna conclude our time at Animal Kingdom. Got a lot done, pretty standard day. Got a lot of nice pictures. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, everyone. Please enjoy these pictures of these birds that I took. Goodbye.